Okay, so what we're going to do now is test this thing. I've done 2 videos, one stripping it, one putting it back together, and that's the test. So they've left a gap through the framework so you can get a good screwdriver. There we go, just turned itself off. Not worried about that. E01, probably fuel. I'll double check that, or it could be glow plug, we don't know yet. Now we have an E01 and a battery flash, so I'm going to change the battery over just in case. We'll wait till it's finished its cycle. Alright. Okie dokie, take 2. On. And we'll come back in a sec. By the way, I did change the battery. Okay, pump started again. We have, glow plug, fan. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we've had 4 failures, a lot of smoke. So it's carbon back up again. So it's either a really crap little pump or Anthem, or I'm going to change the glow plug. That's the only thing I can think of now. So next job now, let it cool down a little bit, and I'm going to go for the glow plug. And if that doesn't work, I'm binning it. Simple as that. Okay, so it doesn't work this time. I will change the CPU. This video was supposed to be a very quick one. Not turning out to be very quick, is it? Okay, let's fire back up. Quickly, okay. Plugs on, fans going. Alright, let's see what happens. Okay, a little bit of smoke. Alright, the room. Can you hear that? Oh, you're joking me. Hear it? That's the furnace. Let's wait and see. Look at that. Fired up and then immediately stopped. It can only be the computer. But it could be the fuel pump actually. I'm not trusting that. I'm not in the place, don't worry, I'm not being smoked out. But I do not trust that. If anybody knows what that is, I mean, it's overfueling and then it's igniting. So whether we're not, the battery's fully charged, look at that. Anybody had this before? It's interesting, isn't it? I'm way out the way. Oh, see, another ignition. That's bad. I think it's one of those Friday ones. Pump stopped, it's turning off, it's doing its cycle to shut down, that's it. For now, I'm not even going to attempt to try and do anything with that at the moment. I might change the computer when it's all cooled down, but for now, if you enjoyed the video, if anybody knows what that backfire is, or if it's overfueling, or the motherboard, let me know in the description down below. I can't help myself, I'm going to change the motherboard. I'm going to connect that. On. Take 4. And I'm running away now. I don't like this thing when it does that puffy back thing. Alright, so I'm just going to put myself on charge and I'll come back in a sec. I just put my 5 kilowatt one on and it's running a dream and the van is lovely and warm. Right, E06. I'll go and check what that is. Could be fan, I think, I'm not too sure. Could even be an incompatible main board with this particular unit, because this is quite a small unit compared to what I've got originally. In the big one there's a massive unit, in the van is a big unit, this is quite a small. So conclusion on this beast is, I think it's for the scrapper. Simple thing is, I don't want to take any chances, especially when it's backfiring like that. I have changed everything, including the motherboard, the heater plug. So there isn't much left I can do. It's been rebuilt and it's still smoke. I think it's one of those Friday quick build jobs. You know, the ones that it'll never work properly. I don't know why. There could be something internally, there could be something misaligned, I do not know, but it's not worth taking a chance on. And by the way, this is the one that they sent the wrong one, and I complained, and I actually got this for 35 quid, so it makes you wonder if it was, and the casing just, like I said, fell apart. So I'll take the heater plug back, I'll take the computer back out. I put the other motherboard back in, and it's had a fan error, and this one doesn't, so I don't know what's going on. So there you go. I'm not going to waste any more time or money on it. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up and a like, that would be great, and we'll catch you in the next one. All the best.